Aloha, dear one. You are in absolutely the right place to reserve your seat for the hybrid workshop, The 3 Keys to Finding Inner Peace Through Trusting Your Own Knowing. It's on Tuesday, June 16th. And in this workshop, I am introducing the new Heart of Aloha 3-step system that will guide you and help you through this time of transition with all its uncertainty to navigate through its threshold, and by you reconnecting with your own inner knowing and finding your next step forward in now creating the life you choose to live from here. To claim one of the 6 local in-person seats here in Spartanburg or one of the 6 online seats via Zoom, just look right below this video. I have placed the direct registration link in the pinned comment, and it's right at the top of the comment, so it's easy for you to see. And you just have to click on it, secure your seat, and I look forward to you joining us. With much, much aloha, I'm Kumu Kaleo. Take care.